Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and clearing a flat, soft workspace. This prevents scratches and accidental power cycles. Next, find the 6 retention clips, top, sides, bottom, and visually note how the faceplate sits relative to the sensors so reassembly is simple. Use a plastic pry tool or your fingernail at a corner and gently lift. You want even, steady force so a clip disengages without cracking the plastic. Once a corner releases, keep steady pressure and move to the next clip to avoid bending the faceplate. You now proceed in order. Start at the top clips, then the sides, and finish with the bottom so the housing isn't stressed unevenly. Lift each clip about 1 to 3 millimeters, just enough to free it, because rocking or twisting increases the risk of breaking tabs. As you move, keep an eye for hidden clips near the lenses and sensor ribbons. If you feel a sharp resistance, pause and inspect visually. Once a clip is freed, hold that section while you work the next to keep alignment intact. You finish by gently peeling the faceplate away from the headset body. Do this slowly so you can spot sensor ribbons or connectors and avoid pulling them. If a clip refuses to disengage, backtrack and release neighboring clips so pressure is redistributed. For older or cold plastic, briefly warm the area with a hairdryer on low to make it more pliable, but avoid overheating. Once removed, align tabs on reassembly, press evenly until clips click, and test power and sensors before using.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.